Your iPhone might look fine, but if Roblox keeps freezing on your screen, it can ruin your game and waste your time. Most players get stuck. It usually happens because of app glitches, low memory, or outdated iOS versions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox when it freezes on your iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. Now go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General, next tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove and then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete App again. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the Settings app again. Tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If you find any software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And there you have it. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.